Welcome to Zen AI Governance. Have you ever considered how to effectively manage risks in retrieval-augmented generation and agentic systems? This tutorial aims to guide you through crucial risk controls. You will learn to implement essential strategies, including provenance, citation, sandboxing, and escalation. Let's simplify the process into manageable steps. First, we must grasp the context. RAG merges large language models with the retrieval of live data. Agentic systems enable autonomous decision-making. This combination enhances capabilities but introduces risks like citation errors and unintended actions. Next, let's examine the architecture involved. The process begins with a user query, followed by the RAG preprocessor, utilizing a retriever to gather information. The output generated comes with provenance tags and metadata for tracking sources. This aids in preventing issues like provenance loss and hallucination. Now, let's identify the primary risks. Provenance loss occurs when citation trails are lost, while hallucination creates false information without evidence. To counteract these issues, attach source metadata to every output. Establish a provenance ledger linking retrieved chunks to their original sources. Next, we must implement sandboxing controls. Agentic systems should function within secure environments with restricted access. Each action must be logged, and a kill switch should be available for emergencies. Now, let's review escalation and oversight procedures. Create 3 tiers for escalating issues. Tier 1 activates an auto flag for uncertainties, while Tier 2 addresses critical problems like hallucination. Tier 3 tackles systemic failures. Finally, conduct regular audits to ensure accountability. Use templates to document findings and evidence of corrective measures. In summary, we've covered risk controls for RAG and agentic systems. Key aspects include implementing provenance tracking, sandboxing, and escalation measures. Now it's time for you to apply these practices. Manage your AI systems proactively to mitigate potential risks. Now let's discuss implications of unmonitored AI systems. Have you pondered the implications of unmonitored AI systems? In this rapidly changing landscape, balancing innovation and caution is paramount. Without appropriate oversight, could your projects face unintended consequences? By adopting effective risk management strategies, you can empower your AI applications while protecting against pitfalls. Let's delve into the actionable steps for responsible AI deployment throughout your organization. As you implement these practices, remember that constant attention is essential for navigating these complexities successfully. Furthermore, let's explore how to integrate these strategies into your daily workflow. Begin by arranging training sessions for your team to familiarize them with risk management protocols. Promote open discussions about potential risks that may arise while working with AI systems. By cultivating awareness and responsibility, you enable your team to be proactive rather than reactive. Additionally, create a feedback loop to refine processes based on real experiences and emerging challenges. This iterative method enhances your organization's capability to adapt and effectively respond to new risks. Next, prioritize collaboration across departments. Engage stakeholders from legal, technical, and ethical backgrounds for a comprehensive viewpoint. By assembling a diverse task force, you ensure that various risk management aspects are considered. These representatives can help uncover vulnerabilities that may be overlooked within specific teams. Moreover, regular meetings can facilitate communication, allowing insight sharing about ongoing challenges. This collective endeavor strengthens the framework for mitigating risks within AI systems, fostering safer deployment practices. As you cultivate this collaborative atmosphere, encourage innovative solutions to emerge from discussions, reinforcing that risk management is a continuous effort. Next, remain updated on current developments in AI. Subscribe to industry newsletters, attend relevant webinars, and participate in conferences focused on emerging challenges and solutions. Staying informed is vital for anticipating potential risks and evolving your strategies accordingly. Additionally, don't hesitate to connect with fellow professionals in the field. Engaging with peers fosters collaboration, inspires new ideas, and highlights common issues affecting your organization's projects. This proactive approach reinforces responsible AI management practices. By integrating effective risk management strategies, you pave the way for safer AI deployment that enhances operational capabilities while building trust among stakeholders. Together, we can navigate the intricacies of AI systems responsibly. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.